of the material of the wire using a meter bridge. The operators required for this experiment are battery eliminator, meter bridge, galvanometer, resistance box, one-way plug key, and unknown resistance 1. Here the meter bridge consists of 3 terminals: A terminal, this one, B terminal, and C terminal. In meter bridge, it includes 2 gaps, first gap and second gap. Next step, circuit. The positive terminal of the battery comes to A terminal of the meter bridge. The C terminal of the meter bridge goes to one-way plug key. One-way plug key, another end goes to negative terminal of the battery. And B terminal of the meter bridge comes to negative terminal of the galvanometer, and positive terminal is connected to jockey. One gap is connected to resistance box and another gap is connected to unknown resistance Y. One gap is connected to resistance box, another gap unknown resistance Y. Here set the battery for 2 volt. Next step, switch on the circuit and check the opposite deflection in the galvanometer. Now I place the jockey in the terminal A. The galvanometer reflect in left side. Now I place the terminal jockey in near the terminal C. Now the galvanometer deflect in right side. So galvanometer shows opposite deflection. Therefore our circuit is correct. Next step, remove 0.1 ohm from the resistance box. Here I write 0.1 ohm resistance. Find out the balancing length. Observe the galvanometer. Now the galvanometer needle comes to 0. Therefore the circuit is balanced. The balancing length equals to 51.5 centimeter. 51.5 centimeter means convert into meter. 51.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. For first trial. For second trial, remove 0.2 ohm in the resistance box. Again check out the balancing length. Observe the galvanometer. The galvanometer needle comes to 0. The balancing length equals to 44 centimeter. 44 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Here resistance 0.2. Next step, remove 0.3 ohm. Here 0.1 plus 0.2 equals to 0.3. Again check out the balancing length. Observe the galvanometer. The galvanometer needle comes to 0. The balancing length equals to 39.1 centimeter. 39.1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter, 0.3. So next step, switch off the battery. Next step, calculation for. Again, RL is equal to SL divided by 1 minus L. What's the value of S here? 0.1 for trial 1. What's the value of balancing length? 51.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 all divided by 1 minus 51.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Here I write 0.1 into 51.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 means 0.515 divided by 1 minus 0.515. 1 minus 0.515 equals to 1 minus 0.515 equals to 0.485. 0.1 into 0.515 equals to 0.0515 divided by 0.485 equals to R is equal to 0.106 ohm. 0.106. For second one, again SL, what's the value of S? 0.2 into 44 into 10 to the power minus 2, 0.44. 0.088 divided by 1 minus 0.44. 1 minus 0.44 equals to 0.56. 0.088 divided by 0.56 equals to 0.157 ohm. For third one, 39.1 means 0.3, 1 minus 0.391, 0.609. What's the value of S? 0.3 into 0.391 equals to 1173, all divided by 0.609. We get 0.192 ohm. So find out the mean value. 0.192 plus 0.157 plus 0.106 divided by 3. So mean resistance equal to 0.152 ohm. This is what? Mean value of R. Next step, the length of the wire. Length of the wire equals to how much? 54.5 centimeter, means 0.545 meter. Then radius of the wire. Radius of the wire means is equal to diameter equals to how much? 0.43 millimeter. Therefore radius becomes 0.4 divided by 2, 0.215 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Next, therefore rho is equal to, what's the value of pi? 3.142 into, what's the value of r? 0.215 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into, what's the value of mean r? 0.152 whole divided by length. Length of the wire equals to 0.545 meter. Next step calculation, 3.142 into 0.215 into 0.215 into 0.152 all divided by 0.545. We get 0.0405 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square means 10 to the power minus 6. Are we right? 4.05 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It becomes 4.05 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Are we right? 0.0405 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm meter. So this is what? Resistivity of the material of the wire. So the resistivity of the material of the wire equals to 0.0405 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter.